Hello again. Go to Edit menu bar on the top and then go to Transform and select the scale. Now you can see there is new box appear around your image. By holding Shift key in your keyboard you can increase your image. Now I'm going to change the background color. Select your background layer. Go to Toolbox and change color you want before apply to your background, then go to Menu panel on of the top. And go to Edit menu. Then go to Fill. Now you can see there is new boxes appearing. Now I'm going to use in this time foreground color. Then click OK. In the layer panel I want you to learn how to arrange your layers, how to make group. Select your layers you want to make it group, then go to Menu panel again, then go to Layer and select Group. Next step we going to learn Text tool. Go to Toolbox and click Text tool. Type any text you want. How we going to change the colors and size? Double click to your text. Change your color as per you need. Even the size also you can change. Go to Pick tool in your toolbox and move it any place you need. Even you can change your font, also double click again you text and then go to Font menu and click into it, and you can change using your keyboard arrow key. Go to again Toolbox and select Text tool. We'll start type again your second text paragraph. Now you will notice there is new 2 layers automatically created. And we'll do same thing again for more details. I just followed the same process again to give more details. Thanks, we'll meet in next lesson.